Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The 18th provincial chapter of the Salesian province of South Korea KOR concluded on 9 June. 34 Salesians reflected for 5 days on the theme Passionate about Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people. To contribute to the GC29, proposals were prepared to recover the values of religious life, to find paths of renewal and spiritual accompaniment, to strengthen community life, and to witness to Salesianity. Contributions were also made to GC29 on the position of KOR province in terms of charism and mission shared with the Salesian family and the laity, and in terms of youth ministry. In addition, amendments have been proposed to some articles of the Constitution and the regulations that directly affect Salesian religious life. More than 90 young Salesian leaders met at the Dominic Savio Youth Center in Duaka from 7 to 9 June to participate in the national meeting of Salesian leaders under the motto, Always Happy. The meeting, organized by the Delegate for Salesian Youth Ministry and the Oratories and Youth Centers Commission, had the objective of evaluating, reflecting, praying and planning the holiday oratories that will be held in the coming months under the motto, Dream with Joy, Build Eternity. Inspired by the dream of St. John Bosco, the young people explored the criteria of the oratory, Salesian pedagogy and the legacy that Don Bosco left us with his life. The meeting was a time for reflection and growth for the leaders who with optimism and Salesian joy are preparing to take on the leadership of the holiday oratories. Educational work of the Salesians of Palermo and educational mission of the Salesians of the Holy Land. This was the main theme of the evening for peace aimed at solidarity for education among the peoples of the Mediterranean. The event combined art and reflection involving, among other things, artists of the choral ensemble from the Conservatory of Palermo, the Dobson's musical group of the Salesians of Sicily, and the testimony of Father Emmanuel Vezzoli, Vice Provincial of the Middle East Province MOR. The event was opened in the school courtyard by the Director of the Educational Work, Father Domenico Saraniti, followed by musical performances. Then there was the testimony of Father Vezzoli, who shared the difficulties and hopes of the Salesian communities in a region like the Middle East marked by conflicts. The evangelization team of Our Lady of the Rosary Parish in Tandover Park organized a children's workshop on the Laudato Si movement on 9 June. Prepared and animated by all the parish catechists led by Mrs. Jane Marfam, all the children of the parish involved in catechesis participated in the workshop. Miss Lucinda from the Salesian Parish Evangelization Team, led by Parish Priest Father John Thompson SDB, shared the deep motivations for this action of the Laudato Si movement. Our children are the future and we need to make sure they know how to take care of our world and God's creation and how they can contribute positively to the care of our common home. Life in Haiti, particularly in the Port-au-Prince metropolitan area, cannot be described in words. We are in a state of almost total anarchy. People are generally unable to carry out their activities and the main roads are closed. This is the dramatic testimony shared by Father Victor Auguste, Salesian of Haiti. The violence of the gangs is causing a significant number of displaced people, especially women and children. Despite the great insecurity and misery, the Salesian missionaries, along with many others, continue to stand by the Haitian people. Every day we face enormous risks, and when I hear that an institution has been attacked, I think about when it will be our turn. The Salesian, who is the economics of the Blessed Filippo Rinaldi, Vice Province of Haiti, says. Dear viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.